Hi everyone, this is Kye from Scarlet Libelle Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a galaxy themed journal for my husband and myself. Let's start by mixing the watercolor pigments. By this time, I wish I had better watercolor, but this is what I have. And this watercolor set is bought from the grocery. So it's not the recommended brand, but since we're under quarantine, I'm just using what I have in stock. I started by layering the watercolor pigments. I started with bright colors first, and then followed by the darker ones, and then layering them up. And then the top layer would be black. Just to be honest with you guys, I'm not that confident in doing watercolor. I haven't done watercolor in a very long time, and I'm more comfortable with sketching, pen and ink drawings, but not paint. So what you see here may not be at par with some of our artists. For the stars, we're going to use a combination of a small pointed paintbrush and an old toothbrush that I no longer use to sprinkle all those white paint around. And after doing the background of the journal, I went on to make another painting of a galaxy. And I felt like my confidence level here is high, but I'm not sure how this will turn out. Halfway through this painting, I was thinking, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. It doesn't look like a galaxy. But I was just determined, and I'm gonna go for it. Whatever is gonna come out of this, I will be using. So I just went for it. And back to the background of the monthly spread, which I've done earlier. I'm just covering all the spots wherein the dates are going to come in. I pre-cut all these white pieces of paper. It took so much work, but I think it's worth it. These pieces are going to be pasted in the journal later. Following the galaxy theme, I'm just doing some sketches of some stars, dots, some made-up constellations. I don't know what constellation that is, so just made that up. So I'm layering these pieces together. The black paper, this is crepe paper by the way, and the painting I just made. And then over it, to complete the look, I'm going to right, I'm going to draw these made-up constellations. So just to complete the look. For the weekly spreads, I'm pasting this small monthly calendars. I've had this since January. I printed a batch of these mini calendars for this purpose. I'm just applying the theme all throughout and trying to make a cohesive look despite the variety of shapes and colors that I've put in here. It's still in keeping with the theme. You see, guys, using a galaxy themed washi tape would be a lot easier than this, but I don't have that. And because we're under quarantine, I'm stuck into using what I already have on stock. And it turned out great, I think. And I'm satisfied with how it looks. And now for my journal, I'm writing on these numbers for the weekly spreads, just cutting them into small strips, and I'm going to be pasting them later. And now for the finished product. Here's a quick flip through of my husband's journal. first, I'm going to give you a quick flip through of April before we reveal the May. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this episode. If you like it, just click like, share it with your friends who also like bullet journaling. And if you have any suggestions for themes that you would like me to try, just comment them below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kye from Scarlet Libelle Studio saying, be organized and stay inspired. Bye for now!